Hello, hello, my loves. How's it going out there? Look, right off the bat, before I start to record, I picked up. Spirit want me to say. I picked up somebody who had been dealing with a sickness, and Spirit want me to let you know that the sickness is coming to pass. Continue to pray. I'm healing your body. And this could be a mental sickness. This could be a physical sickness. All around, Spirit is saying that trust in me, that I'm about to heal your body. So, Ashe, thank you, Great Spirit. Let's get into the reading. What we have besides that message you want me to give to someone who is going through. God said, "Can trust in me. I can do all things possible." Ooh, we got some jumpers, baby. Wait a minute now, that's too many. Okay, right off the bat, we got the Nine of Cups coming out. So Spirit saying that yeah, you will be coming to some emotional fulfillment. Whoever was sick or whoever's going through, God says I'm about to bless you. So maybe I don't know if you're stressed out about some things that you're going through, some bills, some aspect or area in your life. I don't know if that's what's causing the stress, but the Spirit is saying that I'm about to heal you in all ways, materialistically, spiritually, emotionally, financially. I'm about to heal you, heal your body, heal your mind. Continue to pray and stay focused on me. So stay anchored in, my loves. I know that you have went through a lot and you have faced a lot with your mental, because so I know, like me. So say for instance, when I was going through a lot of stress and strain, just dealing with a lot of stuff, I remember back a few years ago, I was working and I was dealing with trying to help my daughters, take care of them. I was trying to help take care of an ex that I was dating. He was sick, and I was trying to go to work, and all of those things collapsed on me, and I began to get sick because I wasn't getting any sleep. I wasn't taking care of myself properly. I was drinking. Yes, let's get to it. I was drinking, and I wasn't taking care of my body. And that thing, that all of that took a toll on me. And I became very, very depressed, I walked away from my job. I was going through so many emotional things, but Spirit is telling me right now today to let you know that whatever it is that you're dealing with, let me have it. Let me do it for you. Let me fix it. Trust in me. Find some way to connect back with Spirit and your inner knowing. Find some kind of way, because you are coming out. You are about to celebrate. You got the 10 of Cups. Your life is about to be celebrated all the way around. You're about to have joy and fulfillment. You are about to have the relationships that can meet you where you are and meet you for who you are, with being your authentic self, Spirit is saying. Thank you, angels. Thank you, Spirit. Yes, a lot of times in life, my loves, we go through a lot of different changes. But yeah, we got the death in we got the Hermit card. Yep, I'm talking to somebody. Yeah, you're going through a lot of emotional, and you went through a lot of emotional and mental things. I'm picking up, and these things have caused you a setback. You've stepped and walked away from a lot of people, a lot of things that were causing you this. But Spirit wants you to know today that you are coming out. You will be able to celebrate because you did make the right choice for yourself, for your health, and for your well-being. Thank you, angels. Thank you, Spirit. Yeah, a lot of times we go through these shifts in life, and sometimes let me get close. Sometimes these shifts and these things that we go through with these people or our experiences, they are not to break us. They can appear to break us because, baby, I mean, once you don't have peace is so sacred, man. What people fail to realize, peace is so sacred. Hold on, let me put this back right. I had to order me another stand because this one I got from Amazon. It broke already. But it's okay though. That's how life is. Things change, things break, things fall apart. But that doesn't mean it's the end. It means it's a new beginning. Because guess what? I had to order me a new one. And it's probably going to be a little better than this one. That's what Spirit said. Your life is not going to look like what it used to look like. What you have coming in is going to look better than anything you have ever experienced. Ashe, yeah. Let's get into the message. Thank you, angels. Thank you, Spirit. So you're about to come into a lot of celebration. You did go through a lot of stuff. And I'm not picking up just on a mediocre level. I'm picking up on a deep spiritual level. You went through some deep dark stuff. But a Spirit is saying that I'm about to bring you some justice. The God is saying that I'm about to do a justice in your life like never before. I send my angels out to take charge over your life. What happened to you is about to be restored. Not restored, but what all of the things that you lost about to be restored. That sleep you lost about to be restored. Those personal material things which you know are nothing, but they are good to have, especially when we work hard for them. And these things will be returned to you, my love. Yeah, death and rebirth. You went to a death and rebirth. I'm talking to somebody who has survived a lot of stuff. You have survived a lot of stuff. I'm picking up, someone who you really at this point or in peer points in your life. Let me say it like this. Let Spirit come through. I see you with the TV off. I see you in total stillness, in total silence, nothing playing, nothing on, because you reflect deep. You are reflecting deep about your life. You serious about your life right now, and you know for a fact that when this season that is ending, because you are coming into a new season. You are very, very, very aware of what's going on. You are very conscious and aware of yourself. And you're not going to let anybody take that away from you. You ain't taking that shit. Enough that it's soft heart. I played that. I did that. That's the past me, the new me. Yes, I love deeply. But I'm not letting anybody walk over me. And if any energy that comes into yours that you don't like, you're stepping away from it because you're not having that. You're not having that. These circumstances shift so easily because 1 minute, I feel like this 1 minute you was everything was flowing good and then boom, some came and knocked it off. Some came and knocked it off. Every time you became stable with yourself, something came in, some kind of conflict, some kind of somebody I'm picking up came in with some kind of conflict. But you are growing. That conflict has allowed you to grow. Those things that you went through have allowed you to go through this ending so you can step into this new beginning. So you can receive justice. The death and rebirth had to happen so you can receive this new beginning. Those things death and rebirth, those things they didn't kill you, they made you stronger. I'm picking up someone who's very resilient. You don't give up easy. You're very powerful. You're very, 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 very powerful. I'm picking up a feminine energy, but I'm picking up the feminine and masculine energy. Is like it's okay. So it's like it's balanced. You get what I'm saying? It's like you got everything balanced, aligned. You're in tune with yourself. It's like your calmness is, man. Your calmness is unmatched. You at a new beginning, my love. I'm talking to the high priestess. Yeah, I'm talking to someone. You could be seeing 222 a lot. You can be seeing 111 a lot, 909, 555. Oh, the foundations are set. We got a lot of major karmas happening in your life, and it's like everything happened together. Everything is running together, like the timelines, the lifespans, your memories. You're recalling things. You're sitting and you're reflecting on things that you went through right now, where you are. Because I'm picking up the Hermit phase. Thank you, angels. Thank you, Spirit. Yeah, the Hermit. The Hermit phase. Yeah, the Hermit. I don't know why I said that and I already pulled that. Yeah. So this season of isolation is for your highest and greatest good. It is. And you are beautiful. You are lovely. That the energy, the energy that I feel, the connection, the deepness to the Most High. Yeah, the deepness to the Most High. You love deep. Your faith is so strong. You will be having joy, my love. A lot of joy is coming in. God has surely shined after the storm. Spirit is saying, after the storm, the sun will surely shine. The sun will surely shine. So, the sickness that you're dealing with, I need Spirit is asking you to pray about some things and and don't overthink some things right now. You are in the right place. You are online. I know I'm picking up why did I pick up a lady? She's getting into a red car. Spirit is saying to me that you are it's not so much as your it's your mental, your worry and your stress kind of making you kind of sick. So yeah, trying to balance that out. I'm picking up a lady, she's getting in a red car. I don't know, Tamara, Tokyo. This is coming in. Just know that you are about to receive a lot of abundance. Spirit says, hold on to your faith. Hold on to your knowing. Hold on to your inner knowing. Because what you went through had to happen. It had to reveal you. It had to show you. You are healed. Spirit is showing me you really are healed. It's just a mental thing. It's a mental blockage that's making you think that you're not received. I'm picking up while I keep seeing her, this lady, she's getting into this red car. She's going somewhere to the store, baby. I keep seeing fish. So yeah, these are gifts coming in. Bountiful gifts, my gosh. Thank you, angels. Thank you, Spirit. Let's get a message from since I got fish that just came in, that has prompted me to pull from the animal spirit deck. Let me see what animal spirit message we can get. Thank you, angels. Thank you, Spirit. Thank you, animal spirit, for blessing this. Wait a minute. Blessing this reading. Yeah. Okay, we got the eagle coming in right off bat. You, like I said, you probably been seeing twos. You may have seen an eagle. If not, you're seeing an eagle now. You may resonate with eagles. You know, eagle may be your animal totem. But it's saying eagle, soar high and lead with clarity and vision. You are coming out, my loves. Thank you, animal spirit. Let's get a message from the angels. Yeah, I'd like to do that. Look how I said it so calmly. That calmness in me is just reflecting back to you what Spirit is saying, and that you are healed in your body. It is a mental, it's just something, one little mental thing for you to shift your thinking. Yeah. The colors pink and purple may resonate with you. It may bring something back, a loved one, a past loved one. I just got a past loved one coming through that is trying to send you a message. I got pink and purple coming through. Yeah, thank you, angels. Thank you, Spirit. What angel wants to bless this message? We are sending healing to each of ourselves. The Paris just came through. The Paris is a trip. Maybe your name is Paris, or you're going on a trip to Paris. Empowerment. Spirit is saying, you are empowered. Trust Trust your heart over your mind. Um, uh, Embrace your power. Love every aspect of what you went through, and know that you are what you are going through right now is for you. Stability is coming in, my love. 444. You could be seeing fours. Okay, 444. Um, I see someone sitting out, like out up under the sun, under trees. Under these trees, I see you sitting out journaling up under these trees. You have a lot of stuff going on in your mind. You are thinking about a lot of things. You are letting a lot of things go. I also see tears, but tears don't mean that we're losing. It means we're winning because we're releasing and letting go what can no longer serve us. You are going through a transformation. That is what you're going through. You will be celebrating because this is a new beginning, Spirit says. Thank you, angels. Thank you, Spirit. This is a new beginning for you. Uh, just know right now that where you are, um, keep looking out the window. Keep looking out the window. Because things have a line for you. You've made it to a very, 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 very point in your life where you didn't think you would make it at some time. So Spirit is telling me to for you to balance your energy and balance your emotions, because you are in your strongest, you in your most strongest prominent time in life. And the decisions and the choices that you did make, I'm getting. I'm picking up, letting go of a son. It's a son I'm picking up, or is it the son? It's son and son. I just got son and son. Um, um, a lot of okay, so it's grief behind this son. You sitting up under the sun, under the tree. So I'm picking up son because I could be talking to someone who lost a son, or who is not speaking with the son, whose son went to prison or something. But it's a lot of mental anguish going on around there that's causing a sickness in your body, my love. Um, but Spirit is saying that the sun shall shine upon you. You shall have joy again. Look to the hills where all your strength coming from. You're going to be aligned with all of the abundance and wealth you need. And this is just not financial. This is spiritual and emotionally. Once you come out of what you're going through. I know it can be hard, but you will have joy and fulfillment, my loves. It is so. It is said. This is the message. Take what resonates, my love, and what doesn't, leave it. But just know that God is saying to you today that I love you, my child. I am with you always. Your ancestors, your spirit guides, or whoever you call upon are all around you, letting you know that they love you and they are supporting you. And this too shall pass. Okay? I love you, my loves. I'll talk to you later. Have a good day. I love you. Okay? Ooh, yeah.